J Sound.
Wami you got warriors here.
Yeah, one ever know. Biba be my young for me. Woni be ma kama. Ya ka cha umba be me na. Ka cha umba. Ka cha we Ghana ni ba. Ka u fi Ghana da ba room ha.
Ah, me Ghana ni fi Ghana ni ba.
Na fe dia in ka na ko so say life wa be ya mi ba bo wa ha say.
Life ni me drive me yo.
Na hu se wa chobu kwa ba se wo num ni e ma bi. Lo so wa num so wa num ko ke bi o. Na life wa wo mu dia se wo ha wa busu afo wa Ghana. Because why so wo future be ma nyanya fo say. I just say e ba ni say na life tin be yes ah.
No, I mean okay, let's say we on the street.
Okay, the way pa but when you okay wo baby. E dia ma wo do hu abefra sare nti wo je okay. Ghana for to watch chain. Papa no ma me ti ase wo Ghana.
No, mo na ti.
Right there no ma ne wo. Dia wa yes wo ti ko ye adwu. And when you come ma ne wo. I mean ka bi bi so bi hu wo be to ase. Oh, the 7 year Abena, you get to Ghana and tell you about. I have bad now, but they are life for the end and one more. It's winning the home, baby. I could give you a bit to me as a oh, the giant, you know, drunk, you know, after bunny drugs to me, sunny, we need about your bathroom had check, never been free life for Bay Bassa, your man will be clear come. The two of them for the brain, yes, into our one for you. To be somewhere in now. When in our pa, let you look at the baby, I would free buy a gun of Brapa near the new Mikado. I had one of a dura, opportunity to be brave, a bit me up one would be you. There's no plan, I won't quite. Bless me, I Juma. Now, when we groom her guns near the Adi shooting near the Abena of 1 area, if you did that, yes, you somewhere did that 24/7. What did baby at it?
No, champion, I say,
go to me hard and I went to your rent. Two banning them, sir, 24/7. But not there, I can't make it one step. But when you know, what you change your life anytime. I will promote. I could say, I was a Cobby or 2 minutes. Maybe that. Come on, let me see something. Yeah, that's my brother right there now, man. Yo, what's up? I know what's up.
He coming in the car right now.
Your brother is coming in the car.
That's a fact. He's coming in the car right now.
You guys going somewhere?
No. We're just chilling, good vibes. Like, he's gonna pick me up in the car right now. I'm gonna go meet him. You know what I'm saying? It's a parade today, Brooklyn.
All right, sure.
That's my guy, you heard? I'll see you later. That's a big guy. Yes, sir. Later.
That's what's up. So we best send this to the one. What would you do? Shall you have your yo-yo open? Yo-yo. I can't teach you what we're going I don't want to go no. A baby will say. Today I catch your boy coming down. Slow down. What bet you?
Mama, I am a ton soon be out with the Akakamacano or Brother Catcher over there.
I a cat. What the I a cat. Now come and say, hey, come and say, oh, I can't think of trip and yes, America, yes, oh, who bad for good. Now I hear you, but for bad.
It's J Sound.
Wami you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Come on, myself, I check today.
Yo, Brown. My nigga, what's up? I see you, bro.
Yeah, Charlie.
What it go? Everything nice. Cool, bro. Charlie, I got good.
Okay.
I remember for yeah. Business wise, voice now, voice that Charlie. It was really nice. China way. When in way 70
Well, would Lamu now on our dear land and your cook? Well, you see, I know the old wood in him. Maybe any I won't even get
Chalo de ninga munyanda.
Hey, good.
I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys.
The Kumasi. Yeah.
Yeah. Be brown.
Kumasi. Yeah. Okay. No
I'll see you when I see you.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
They were wood in him.
Okay.
Okay.
Feeling that they have been not to pay.
Almost $200. Charlie life be bad, man for the number of America had it. Koye crowd. Charlie, yeah. Okay.
This time now the bar, I bet you. I know them. I'm here quick. Let me see.
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
It's J Sounds.
Wami, you got. What do you see?
So free, you know what I mean? So much. Oh, Ghana, man. Oh, yeah. You want me to man? Yeah, thank you. Abena, Soba, you know what I mean? Anyway, my name is Dafa, say Dafa. Okay, what about you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. That's nice, yeah. What's your name? Vanessa. Vanessa. Very nice funny face, wife. Hey, America, Vanessa. Yeah, that's wow, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. Nice to meet you, Vanessa. That's my sister right there, you know what I mean? Okay. She saw this house, yeah? Oh, I can tell her to give you whatever you want, you know what I mean? Okay. You ain't gonna pay nothing, you know what I mean? Okay, yeah. Is there a catch? Yeah. What? Yeah, man. What is the catch? What I gotta do? Oh, you ain't gotta do anything, you know? Oh, okay. But can I get a number? That's the catch. I got a husband. You married? Yeah, I'm married. And the owner from my old. She's not gonna give it to you. Sorry. I thought you were married, you know what I mean? Oh, she's not gonna give it to me? No, because you're married. Oh, Rosie. What happened? Oh, let me just walk a calendar. Hey. I'm telling you from Muslim. If I come to my house, I told you. Rosie, I'm going to get me more. I can't get none. I could get it. What can I do? Pink. Anything pink? Yeah. Okay. And he said I could get it. What's what? You are married. I can't buy it anymore. Yeah. You are married. I can't buy it anymore. What are you talking about? Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah. What happened? You don't want to forget about it. Forget it. Yeah. Look at this shape. You are telling her to forget about it. Yes. Me laugh at you. Me lie. No, I don't. All right, sure. We're telling about it. It's okay. Bye-bye. You married, I'll buy it. You're not married, I'll buy it. No money. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him because he don't have money.
It's J Sounds.
Wami, you got. What do you see?
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. No more fresh and fresh today.
Come on, my watching street was $10 we are on that. I'm trying to chop on the street with $10 for that my wife.
very take
No, 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 but tell them you want
Nana had times cry actually, and you can only have $10 in your life. And you like you, and you like no, street is come to me, the first street up for now. Mama Juma, $10 when I'm you come from a shadow of your wow. No, Mount Gobra, and no man is got. Oh, the Biaman woman is catching someone is going to be a last time. No man is getting no man is going to. What's up? I have more $10. Now I'm $10 and I end up on the street, man. Send a new crowd. You do this, my fair man. And New York. It's New York. It's more than I got it.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh today.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh today.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh today.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Come on, fresh and fresh today.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Yo, Nessa, Nessa, man, $100 a year now, Baby. Don't look at what she's
just us in the house. Obi, would you be back? Would you be back? You
know something for you're my girlfriend, yeah?
Get to back as I and your son. What I say, you're guy. What do you want?
Don't. No, is it the first time I'm taking your money? I'll give it to you, but listen, is it the first time I'm taking your money?
I don't know.
If you are boys, people are more respectful. Nessa, only you can come.
That's my godfather right there. He's talking to you and then you're doing miss.
Yeah, so.
What is going No, listen, what is going Godfather, God bless you.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got warriors here.
Papa Kumasi.
Never did today. Hey, come on, fresh and fresh today. Umudesa, umatupe. Make a feeling that then feel up to pay.
It's J Sound.
Kwame, you got
Yo, stop it right there. What's up? Where then? Nessa, what's up? Where then? What are you doing?
Sometimes you
I am asking you, what is he doing for you? Excuse me, sorry. Huh? What is he doing for you? Excuse me, you listen. Listen, then come on idea. And then come on idea. Nessa, yo, excuse me, sir. Young guy. Nessa, me no kasa then come on idea. Yo, excuse me, me the cow had that. I told you before.
Oh.
Me the cow has so money, Macho, please. One who share my what down the car.
Oh.
Some of the car in Chia who go and master when your boss was there. Excuse me. Nessa, listen. I am not ready for that insult again.
That's what I'm like.
Listen, and
you don't have to pay today.
Listen, I am not paying today, but I am not going to pay the next 2 days because the ocean I want to tell kind of what's up.
Oh. So
who share your station around who's I'm saying now see can now make sure. Don't owe me. One was happening now say, oh, what's the shame about this? Oh, why paying it to one year? To what is all? Oh, I
surely have to pay today.
Yo, I am not paying for you. I am paying you, so I'm not paying.
Oh.
Nessa, Mr. Sorry, Chama, you know something?
I know, but
you know something, but why you did at the train station, the bus station was saying no. Nessa, sorry.
Why are you always doing things like that?
I am protecting you.
You're protecting me from doing my hair?
Not doing your hair because of when you were saying about
And it goes to bed,
I know, listen.
Boss,
I know.
Oh.
Alright, let's go. Boss, it's okay, let's go. It's okay. Who will be? Not surprising me, but let's trust me. Let me street in so. Do you know what we can do?
Listen,
You want to have done so what?
Director, with the back I say to you.
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, some power. For a woman, so we are now so sad. Business, so you said.
Some Pasiala and with favor. Maybe I won't see my son. Me ticket can I Yo, Sasa, I'm not coming before. When you try saying that, I'll gang, trust me, I won't get mad, yeah? What are you talking about? Me man catch you outside there, man come because we ain't got money in the house. But now I'm fan come home. Now they be share me station on. It's okay. I don't know if the person who must catch him somebody coming here, who will share what I used to be in I'm wrong. Nessa, are you doing this? You just wanted to look good and look good now, my man. I may say, yo, stop it because I ain't got money. What's your big baby girl? Now just own team myself. Is that what you doing? Nessa, for Christ's sake, wouldn't it be? Listen up. When we say love, you know I love you. What's in common as in some because I won't tell my now you make me feel bad. Trust me.
I'm a fresh shit today.
These people they talk, yeah? They should be being less American.
Make a feeling that then feel up to pay.
I'm serious.